Sorry, the request is from the public, excuse me, viewing through YouTube for them to also see this presentation. Is there any objection by any party?
We have no objection.
For the complainant?
No objection, Chair.
Advocate Keepers?
No objection then, Chair.
All right. Then I don't think there's a problem with that. Subject to, I'm not necessarily saying that we'll see those pictures, but it must be obvious that there are some pictures, alleged pictures or whatever, that even if they were to be here or they are here, those would not be shown.
That's correct.
Chair, before we start commencing with the viewing of this footage, may I please ask that the panel go to paragraph 9 of the joint minutes of the notes on the footage. There is an omission in the second sentence. She is walking down the passage in the direction of chamber at 0, in the direction of 01. 29.
Sorry. Item
29.
29.
Yes.
What about it? You say there's an omission.
Yes, she says she's walking down the passage in the direction of chamber 0. It should be 01.
Chair, can I just, whilst we're on that, I'm just worried that this witness and the footage says it's chamber 2. We've identified it for our purposes chamber 1 because I think that's what it says on the map that, the blueprint that Mr. Malinsela has given us previously. I don't know if anything will turn on it, but I just want to raise that we're talking about the same thing.
Yes.
This footage calls it chamber 2, the blueprint calls it chamber 1, but we agree that it's the same space.
Yes.
And then, in fact, we would have marked, you'll see on paragraph 2 of this note, that to just try and explain that, we wrote chamber 01, that's CO1, depicted as door 4.55, which you see on the video, just so it's absolutely clear where in the courtroom we're talking, in the court building we're talking about.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Then you can continue playing the video at normal speed, please. That is then item 29 on the notes. There should be item 30 on the notes. Ms. Mengo is entering the passage again through C01, ushering 2 individuals into chamber 01. And they enter into the office. That is number 31. Ms. Mengo is seen coming out of the chamber and exits through C01. And that is 32. The 2 males are entered through C01. Chair, that should be point 33. Mr. Abongile Chete is seen exiting the acting judge's chambers and exits through C01 door. That is point 34, Chair. That is point 35, Chair. Ms. Zinhle Nkai is seen walking down the passage and exits through C01. That is point 36, Chair. And point 37, Ms. Zinhle Nkai re-enters one corridor through C01 in the company of two individuals. We can see this person is not talking. Does your cameras have sound on it?
Negative. That is where she is carrying the chair. I see point 37 is combined, the previous one, as well as this one where she's carrying the red chair. Ms. Zinhle Nkai. And this is point 38, Chair. Ms. Zinhle Nkai walks back down the passage from the direction of C09, exits through C01, carrying bags and files.
Is 17 not two different episodes?
Say again, Chair?
Item 37, sorry. Is item 37, does it not comprise two separate episodes?
I agree to that. It has been combined here, but it should be two separate
Yes.
points. There's no further notes as well on this video footage. I don't know if the parties would agree that we then stop the playing of the video. I see Advocate Madonsela is in agreement.
I'm in agreement, Chair.
Both parties are in agreement, Chair. There's no other footage on this that's relevant to this matter.
For the benefit of transcribers, the viewing of the footage has now been concluded.
We see that the individuals in the footage go around the corner into another corridor. Do you know if there's any cameras in that corridor, or don't you know?
There would definitely be cameras. There are judges that are located as in chambers in those areas. So wherever they are, for their safety, we have camera footage.
Do we have the footage in that corridor?
No, we don't.
For the footage to be downloaded from the system to be uploaded on the memory stick as you received it, is it possible to tamper with the footage?
I think it is possible to tamper with the footage. Because once the footage is downloaded off the system, when it's on the system, it is perfect, it's safe. Because you need administrator credentials to access the live recordings. But once it's on the hard drive itself, where it's being prepared to be placed onto the USB, you can tamper with that footage because it becomes raw footage, right? So as from when I requested the footage, as per my statement, the court manager was requested to be involved with the control room operator, use a brand new USB memory stick, download and seal and send to me. When I received it sealed from the courier. And that's how I transferred it to the secretariat.
So what you received is what you presented to us?
Precisely.
Do you have any personal interest in the outcome of this matter?
None.
Chair, after the evidence of Mr. Naidu, I would like to hand in the memory stick as well for the panel's viewing, maybe at a later stage. I don't know how we should mark that. Should we continue with Exhibit 6 then?
Yes.
So that would be the memory stick containing the video footage will be Exhibit 6, hearing Exhibit 6. Chair, I don't have any further questions for this witness.
Yes, can you assist us formulate the description of this item correctly? Just start by saying Exhibit 6 is...
Can you give the name of that memory stick that you have, and then we will make copies for the other members? I think the chair should receive the original one, and then we will make copies for the benefit of the other panel members. What is the description of that memory stick that you have there?
It's a SanDisk. SanDisk.
SanDisk.
SanDisk.
So it would
sorry,
be...
sorry, if it's possible, I was just asking you, Advocate Skipper, to give, shall I say, an official description of the content of this memory stick, just so that other people, when they view it, they find some people swimming in a swimming pool, and they, so that they should be saying, no, but this is not what it is. What it is, it's a memory stick depicting people getting into blah blah blah, etc., etc. But you are in a better position maybe to describe it.
Thank you, Chair.
If you can't, maybe the witness will help us.
Thank you, Chair. Hearing Exhibit 6 will be a memory stick containing the CCTV footage. There's 3 parts. That would be the 2 footages of the 14th of November 2022, the morning session as well as the afternoon session, as well as the footage of the 16th of November 2022, which we did not watch now. But that is the CCTV footage of the Umtata High Court, camera 9, chamber corridor 2. Thank you, Chair.